You are just a few clicks away from accessing the latest real estate online software created to manage the entire renovation process of multifamily unit renovation projects. This software allows you access to manage all of your unit renovation projects nationwide. Unit renovation projects consist of the same tasks being completed in each unit, and each one needs its own schedule of tasks. That's what this software is designed to do. I'm talking about RenoSystemPro. It's a ridiculously simple and effective software that is currently creating a huge buzz. The system communicates with everyone daily. It lets the vendors know when a new unit is added and when to do their work, and material suppliers when to order product and when to deliver them. Unit renovation templates are set up based on a set of tasks, and in this system, some or all of them can be optional. Each unit's schedule is created automatically by just telling the system the start date for each unit. With real-time reporting work tracking, everyone knows how the project is going at any given moment. Time doesn't stand still, and neither should your projects. We make it easy. You make it successful. Contact us today at www.RenoSystemPro.com, 720-883-8689.